Gentlemen, let's be brutally honest. When was the last time you woke up with that unmistakable sign of male vitality? If the answer is not often enough, you're certainly not alone. But what if I told you the approach to potentially reigniting your morning vitality, your energy, and your confidence isn't about expensive prescriptions, but a simple natural powder you can consider taking every single night? I'm Dr. Lauren Blake, a board-certified urologist with over 15 years of experience specializing in men's health. And this isn't about magical thinking. It's about understanding how to support your body's natural power while you sleep. Prepare to discover a bedtime ritual that could help transform your mornings. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also reveal one bonus spice that can supercharge the effects of these powders, and almost nobody over 50 is using it correctly. Please remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or health routine. Why focus on nighttime? Because while you sleep, your body is working overtime. It's repairing, regenerating, and recalibrating. This is when vital hormone production, cellular repair, and cardiovascular recovery are often at their peak. For men over 50, a decline in morning erections may sometimes suggest underlying issues: reduced nitric oxide production impacting blood flow, fluctuating testosterone levels, or even nerve health challenges. I've seen patients like Mark, a 58-year-old active professional who felt his mojo vanishing, impacting not just his intimate life, but his overall energy and outlook. He thought it was just getting old, but his body might have simply been lacking specific nutritional support at a critical time. The good news? By strategically nourishing your body before bed, you can help support these natural restorative processes. We're talking about simple, natural powders that may contribute to a profound difference. In fact, there's one natural powder, probably sitting in your kitchen right now, that can dramatically support circulation while you sleep. I'll tell you exactly what it is in just a moment. Our first powerful powder to consider before bed is beetroot powder. Beetroots are a fantastic natural source of dietary nitrates. When consumed, these nitrates are converted in your body into nitric oxide. Why is nitric oxide so important for male vitality and those morning erections? Because nitric oxide is a potent vasodilator. It relaxes and widens your blood vessels, promoting healthy blood flow throughout your body, including to the penile tissue. Numerous studies, including research published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, have shown that dietary nitrate supplementation, like that from beetroot, can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, factors that are important for erectile function. By taking beetroot powder before bed, you're potentially giving your body a natural boost to enhance circulation during your most restorative hours. Aim for about 1-2 teaspoons mixed with water. But better circulation is only half the battle. If stress hormones are sabotaging your testosterone, you'll never feel that morning spark, which is why our next powder is critical. Next up, a true adaptogenic powerhouse for male health, Ashwagandha powder. This ancient Ayurvedic herb is renowned for its ability to help your body manage stress. Why is stress relevant to your morning vitality? Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which can potentially suppress testosterone production. Ashwagandha works by supporting your adrenal glands, helping to balance stress hormones. But its benefits for men go even further. Several human clinical trials, such as one published in Fertility and Sterility, have indicated that ashwagandha supplementation may lead to significant improvements in testosterone levels and sperm quality in men. By taking ashwagandha powder an hour or so before bed, you're not only promoting a more restful sleep, crucial for hormone balance, but also supporting your body's natural ability to produce testosterone and reduce stress, paving the way for enhanced morning vitality. A typical dose is around 300–600 ml of a high-quality extract. Okay, we've lowered stress and supported testosterone, but what about raw stamina and desire? That's where the third powder comes in. For our third impactful powder, let's talk about Maca powder. Hailing from the Peruvian Andes, maca is another adaptogen known for its ability to support energy, stamina, and libido without directly affecting hormone levels in the same way as ashwagandha. Instead, it seems to work by optimizing the entire endocrine system and nervous system. Men who consistently use maca often report increased energy, improved mood, and a noticeable boost in sexual desire. A meta-analysis of clinical studies published in BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine reviewed several trials suggesting that maca can positively impact sexual desire and may improve sexual function in men. Taking maca powder before bed, perhaps mixed with your beetroot, can help your body utilize its unique nutrients for overall vigor and potential improvements in arousal and response by morning. Start with 1 to 2 teaspoons. And if you're thinking, can I make these powders work even harder together? The answer is yes. That's why I always recommend adding this one simple spice, but only if you combine it the right way. I'll show you how in a second. To further amplify these effects, consider adding a bonus ingredient to your nightly regimen: turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties due to its active compound curcumin, can help support overall cardiovascular health and reduce systemic inflammation, both crucial for optimal blood flow and healthy erections. Black pepper is key here because it dramatically increases the bioavailability of curcumin. By reducing inflammation and supporting blood vessel health, turmeric can work synergistically with the other powders to potentially enhance your body's natural ability to achieve and maintain morning vitality. So, your bedtime ritual could look like this. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of beetroot powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of maca powder, and 300 or 600 millimole of ashwagandha extract, or equivalent powder dose, along with a quarter teaspoon of turmeric and a tiny pinch of black pepper, into a glass of water or a non-dairy milk about 30-60 minutes before bed. Consistency is absolutely key here, not a one-time fix. Give it time, typically 4 to 8 weeks, to truly see and feel the difference. Most men make the mistake of only trying a supplement for a week or two and then giving up. But if you stick with this ritual, around week 8 to 12 is where the real transformation often begins. And I'll share a patient story that proves it. Remember, these powders are powerful tools, but they work best as part of a holistic approach to health. It's important to note that individual results may vary, and not every study offers the same conclusions for every individual. However, optimizing nutrient intake and supporting natural bodily functions is widely recognized as beneficial for overall health. Prioritize quality sleep, a balanced diet rich in whole foods, regular exercise, and effective stress management. When you consistently incorporate these bedtime powders, what can you expect? Many men report experiencing subtle but noticeable shifts in energy levels, improved mood, and better sleep within a few weeks. I've seen patients like Michael, who, after just 2 months on a consistent regimen, told me he felt like a new man, not just in his energy, but in the return of his morning vigor and confidence. For more profound changes, including potential support for improved libido and erectile quality, consistent use over 8-12 weeks is often where men truly begin to feel a significant enhancement. It's about empowering your body with the right building blocks it needs to thrive, naturally. By the way, there's one situation where you should never take these powders together, and I'll explain that right after this important safety note. Before taking any new supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions, are taking medications such as blood thinners or blood pressure medication, or have specific allergies, it is absolutely essential to consult your healthcare provider. Beetroot can affect blood pressure, ashwagandha may interact with certain medications, and maca can have hormonal effects. This information is for educational purposes only and should never be considered a substitute for personalized professional medical advice. Please prioritize your health and consult your doctor. So, are you ready to stop letting age define your vitality and start taking proactive steps to support your male health? This simple bedtime powder ritual could be a valuable addition to your wellness journey. If this video opened your eyes and gave you actionable steps, Please subscribe to Lauren Blake channel for more science-backed insights into men's health that actually work, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another crucial video. Also, make sure to check out my video on the surprising foods that drain your testosterone. Your vitality, confidence, and intimate life are absolutely worth investing in. Reclaim your spark starting tonight.